How to fix GTA 5 not launching easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First, if you want to fix it, all you need to do just try to restart your PC and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, let's move to the next method. Then open Task Manager and you will find it like that. All you need to do just right click on applications that you don't need like Google Chrome and end it, and now click memory to set application that takes a lot of your memory like Google Chrome and Discord. Right click on it and end it and end all the unnecessary applications, and don't end Windows Explorer or something like that, and that's it. Now close it and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.